Oh my god, this is amazing. This is an ancient town perched up on a waterfall, a millennium in the making. Furong Town, nestled in the heart of China's enchanting Xiangxi region. From afar, it shimmers like a celestial palace, casting an ethereal glow that transcends earthly beauty. With a history spanning over 2,000 years, Furong Town unfolds its daytime serenity against a backdrop of lush greenery, ancient architecture, and the authentic charm of the Tuggear ethnic group. Viewed from a distance, it resembles a dynamic oil painting, a masterpiece in constant motion. Yet it is as the night descends that Furong Town reveals its true enchantment, adorned in a dazzling array of colors. The 2G stilted houses on the hillsides light up like stars, creating a warm, inviting ambience. The grand waterfall plunging from the cliffs roars in magnificent splendor, surrounded by neon lights that transform the town into a mystical wonderland. From a divine vantage point, the entire town clinging to the cliffs is bathed in a radiant tapestry of lights. The stilted houses, seemingly suspended mid-air, provide a stunning backdrop as a ribbon-like waterfall gracefully weaves through the town. Are you prepared for a journey to this enchanting haven? Click follow to explore more hidden places and plan your escape to Furong Town, where every moment is a glimpse into a captivating dream.